moving away from that, Tonto Dikeh says that after she has rebranded, okay, been a rough time for her, and the Holy Spirit has taken over her, and she's doing amazing things, and she's doing exploits. She will no longer be called King Tonto Dikeh, because during the times when she was going through a whole lot of pain, a whole lot of suffering, she coined the name King Tonto Dikeh so that it could put some fear in some people. But this time, she would like to be called Evangelist Tonto Dikeh. Let's take a look.
Calvary greetings, people of Zion. Happy new month. In obedience to the Holy Spirit, I make this declaration. And it gladdens my heart that I can do this on the first day of March. It's just aligning with the prophecy of God upon my life, that He's marching me away from everything that's old and marching me into the prophecies that are new every morning. His joy, His peace, His love, His authority, His grace, and everything that's new. In alignment for the will and the purpose of God upon my life, I will no longer be addressed as King Tonto Dikeh. You can call me the woman of God. You can call me Evangelist Tonto. You can call me Tonto Dikeh. You can also call me Auntie Tonto. All letters loose. Big T, whichever one suits you. Welcome today. I will no longer be addressed as King Tonto.
Okay, Evangelist Tonto Dikeh. As you heard it, whatever one suits you, you can address her. But as for King Tonto, she is done with it. Big congratulations to her. We're hoping to see where her new faith is going to take her. Of course, it's going to take her to bigger places. Well, my name is Stephanie Flashley, and this is what we have for you today on MX Breakz right here. Well, my name is Adjoa Frimpoma, and this is what we have for you today on MX Breakz right here on MX24 TV. Well, there's a lot coming more, so do not forget. But what do you think about these stories? Go ahead and go into our comment section at MX24GH and let us know your additions and subtractions. Now, we'll be right back with more tomorrow. Bye-bye.